get started, give us a huge thumbs up and press the subscribe button. So today, V and I really wanted to show you our new Halloween fidgets. And we got new Halloween fidgets and some are not Halloween. But if you didn't see the last videos, we have like a ton of fidgets. Let's get started. Are you ready to show them our new fidgets, Allie?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's our fidgets? Who took them? Allie, did you take them?
No.
But what? We had them right here. You guys, what about if the mystery person stole our fidgets?
Yeah.
Or maybe he came again and stole our fidgets again. Man. So now where did they go?
I don't know.
You guys, what are these seeds?
Where's the seed?
There's seeds on the floor.
Is that a watermelon?
I don't think that's watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds are small.
No, watermelon has seed. It's going right here.
Allie, what do you think it is? Let's go.
Watermelon seeds are actually black, so they can't be those, Allie.
Oh yeah, they can.
Where? Does this take us somewhere?
It looks like it's.
Careful, careful. Wait, we don't know what's over there.
I'm scared, you guys. I don't want to go over there.
Okay, let's see. Where does this take us?
Oh, this is a long drive.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Who is that? Who is that? Go, 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 go. Wait. Who is that? It's a pumpkin monster.
Maybe he's the mystery guy.
Come on, let's go. What is that? Okay.
Guys,
What happened?
I don't know. Are they coming? Is he coming?
So he's the one that stole our fidgets. Check if there's any fidgets in here. No?
No.
It's too dark. Let's turn on the light. Hopefully he doesn't see us. Oh my god, here are its seeds. It was eating some seeds.
Maybe that's the stuff that were on the floor.
That's the stuff they had in the floor. So it was eating seeds.
Those are pumpkin seeds.
So it is a pumpkin monster.
He's a pumpkin.
Allie,
Maybe.
let's go out. Let's see if it's gone. Okay, I think it's gone. Let's start looking for the
Fidget.
fidgets.
You guys, there's one up there.
Oh yeah, there's one up here.
Get him, Mom, get it.
Let's-
It's a squishy. It's so cute.
Grab this one. Let's go. You guys gotta be careful with the pumpkin monster, okay? You found one? Where? Up there. Oh, yes. Oh, wait. Hold on. We have to wait. There. He almost got me. surprise monster or Halloween monster?
I think he's a meat monster.
Meat monster.
He looks creepy. You guys, I don't know. I thought like it was gonna be a different kind of monster.
Yeah, I never expected a pumpkin monster ever. You thought it was gonna be a what? A witch or a
Frankenstein.
Frankenstein. Okay, well now we know why he said orange, green, and black. It all makes sense. A pumpkin. You think it left? Okay, let's go check. Come on. Okay, yeah, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, so where? We find more.
You guys, there's a cat.
Wait, just grab it. Wait, come over here. So, what is it? A puppy.
It's a puppy cat.
Okay.
So we have to pop it in one squishy. Let's put these away in the box.
Found one? Okay. Good looking out, Ellie. Go put it in the box. Before it comes. Close the box just in case it comes back. Close the box. Come on. Okay, so it's not here yet. Let's go find more. Let's go find more. Do you guys see any? Oh my God, it's right here. We just missed one.
You guys, there's more up here. They're mashed rush marbles, or I think it was called like that. No, marble rush. I forgot how it goes.
Okay, we'll figure it out later.
Yes.
Let's go. Before it comes. Okay. You guys don't see any yet? No. You found one? Okay, go. Whoa.
That is so humongous.
Okay. Ooh. Trying to play a funny trick on us, huh? You think it's a baby. Okay, wait. Where do you think he's at?
I don't know.
Let's look over here.
Where is he?
No, he's right there.
He's in there.
Where is he? Oh, go. Upstairs. Right here. Hurry. Wait, right here. Go down. Oh my God, it's right there. Oh my gosh. Hopefully he doesn't see us. You found one? Up there. Okay, go slowly and grab it. Go slowly. Make sure he doesn't see you. Go down. Let me see. What is it?
It's an eyeball.
Oh, cool. A sticky eyeball. What is he doing? Wait, what? He's sitting down. Come here.
What is he doing? He's like, I need to take a break. Oh, yeah.
He's taking a break right now when we're in the middle of this.
Goodness. Oh, you guys, there's one right there.
Yes, another one right in front of us.
It's really light.
Let me see. It's a bat.
Light.
I'm gonna throw it at the pumpkin monster. Don't do that, right?
You guys, what about if he gets our fidgets?
Okay, let's see if we can go down. Do you guys see him? You guys don't see him?
No.
Okay, let's go down.
Oh my gosh, what if, I guess he heard us.
He heard us. That's why he made a noise.
That scared
Okay,
me
so
so
we came in Jazzy's room, and we're just gonna wait here to see when
bad. He got
he gives us a
mad.
chance. Yeah, he's mad.
So he's an angry monster.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Someone went up there. Go, 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 Jazzy. Go get it. Just don't be so loud because it's gonna know we're in here, okay?
It's a mini dimple. It's cute. It's even a fidget spinner too.
Cool. I love the colors. The
They're
colors
nice.
are very nice. Come on, come on, come on. Huh? Okay, so now we need to find a way to get back out there and put all these fidgets before we lose them.
Yeah, let's check.
Let's check.
Do a little peek.
Oh my god, okay. He's still there. Let's go start.
It's still caught. Mom, you could get us caught.
We almost got caught by the monster. Pumpkin monster.
If we get caught, what happens?
I don't know.
We're new to this monster, so we have to try to get used to it. But we try not to get caught.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if he's gone. He's right there. Oh, he's right there. Guys, there's a puppet up there. Shh, 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 shh. There's a puppet up there. Yeah, I saw it. It's a pumpkin. It's a pumpkin, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Grab it. Okay, let's go drop off these puppets. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go in the restroom, go in the restroom. Okay, so he was in here. Why do you think he was in here?
You guys, I found a fidget.
That's why he was in here. There's more fidgets. Grab it, grab it, grab it.
They're pop tubes. There's a big one in this wall.
Orange and purple.
Halloween colors.
Yeah, grab the light.
Oh, yeah.
We might need it if it gets too dark.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go see. Quiet. Try to put him in the thing. Wait, 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 wait. Gotta be. Oh. Wait, wait, wait. Go this way, go this way, go this way. Okay, go put him in the thing. Go put him. Quietly, quietly, quietly. Okay, yeah, it looks like we need more. We had more in there.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, come on, come on, come on. Guys, inside the pumpkin. Oh my god, oh my god.
Inside the pumpkin.
Okay, wait.
Not the pumpkin.
Inside the pumpkin.
He's in there.
He's up there. Okay, go.
Two puppets.
Okay, come on. Close it.
We got now we have 3 pumpkins, guys.
He's up there. Yeah, go put him. Hurry, don't get caught. Don't get caught. How are we gonna do it now? To find the other fidgets.
Yeah, we have 2 more.
We have 2 more. Oh, he's right there. Okay, let's go back that way. Okay, so we're gonna be at. We need to think high because he's tall. Oh my god, yes.
It's up there.
Oh my god.
Look, it's cute.
And then a small puppet. Okay, guys, now that we have them all, how are we gonna get rid of him?
Never thought of that.
You have pumpkin in your face.
I do.
Yes. You have his cooties on that were on the fidgets. Oh. Okay, so now are we gonna get rid of him? Okay, you know.
We should open the door.
Open the door. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. We'll open the door and then he'll think that we're out there and then he'll follow us. Yeah, that's a good idea. I like that. Okay, let's see if it works. Let's see. He's over there. So let's get to that side over there. Let's get to that side and then we'll come around, okay? You go mad. Hey, we have the fidgets now. Oh, good job. Give high five. Give high five.
Going.
Who knows where he's going?
In the car?
He's gone.
The good thing is that we got rid of him and we got all of our fidgets back.
Yes.
And also we know who stole our fidgets. So now every day we have to watch if he's here.
I doubt he'll come back, right?
Yeah. But
Ooh, nice. Let's go put him back where they belong. You like that one? Is it small?
yeah. You guys, we want to open this one. It looks so cool to open.
Okay, open it.
Let's open it. Oh, that was fast. Oh man.
Are they sticky?
They're sticky. They're
Ew.
sticky as slime.
They look super sticky.
Oh, you guys are not like this if you just leave it on your floor or something.
Oh, nice. So pretty.
I have 4 eyes. Sticky. Cool.
They're sticky?
That looks so cool, you guys.
I like this one, the paw, the bat.
This one looks so cool. Oh, it's a ghost. And the back of the ghost. Oh.
The bottom of the ghost.
Oh yeah, the bottom. Let's try this. I hope it's not like that.
Oh yeah, super sticky. It's huge. Pumpkin puppet. So now we know he's a pumpkin monster.
Light up.
Lights up?
It glows.
Oh, it glows.
You guys, this is
Cool.
stuck.
How you?
Doesn't want to come apart. 20 hours later.
Cool. Yeah,
That was cool.
Wow.
Look at how big this
Daddy,
is.
look at Daddy.
Whoa!
Daddy. It looks like a jumper.
A jump rope? Yeah.
Daddy, Daddy, look.
It looks so satisfying.
Daddy, look.
She really liked that one. So I'm so glad we got all our fidgets back.
Yes!
More to add to the collection.
Yes. Now we have 1,000 billion fidgets.
Yeah, that's a lot.
That's it for today. If you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up and press the subscribe button. See you guys in the next video. Bye! Monster was really a pumpkin monster!